Hello, everybody. This is Wendy Kraft of Tap and Save app out of Raleigh, North Carolina, bringing to you the People's Platform from the Life Platform Company out of Cary, North Carolina. Today, I want to show you the coupon section as well as the groupon section in the save aspect of our platform. Here we go. So here we have national brand stores. We've been in here before in a previous video. So let's take another peek and see what we can do with Groupon and Coupon. So we don't have to do all these things. We can do them separately. We can do them together. It's completely up to us. But let's take a look. We're going to go into Groupon, which is right in the platform, which is wonderful. We're going to look for automotive right here, apply filter. Oh, Jiffy Lube. I wanted an oil change, didn't you? Wow, this is great. Synthetic blend, fully synthetic signature service oil change at Jiffy Lube. $81.97 for only $47.99. We're going to get 41% off. Now, how are we going to pay for this, Groupon? Let me show you. Okay, so we're going to make one of these choices, and when we decide what we want and we choose buy it now, it'll come in here and it'll have the grand total. We can take that grand total over to the Life Info app on this save section, national brand stores. We can even get cash back on our Groupon purchase. This is just crazy because Groupon is in our national brand store section with a minimum of 5.4% cash back. So let's say we're going to go with instead of $131.97, we're going to go $89.99. And if there was tax or something on that, when we click buy now, we got the grand total. Then we come back here, we do $89.99. If there's tax or something, like I said, we get that in there too. And look, we're going to get a minimum of 5.4% back. And again, we've already showed you how to use this, but we would use our available e-wallet. This is money we uploaded from our bank account. And we would put this total in. I'd probably use all of it, $11.79. If I had more, I'd use that too, because I would get more back in Bitcoin. Oh my gosh. And then we would apply our cash back. So let's put $11.79. Okay. And then we'll put, the great big 55 cents I have back in cash back because I already used it all. And then we still have $78.20 to pay. So we're going to use the debit or credit card we have in here to do that. And then we're going to get $4.86 and some Bitcoin back. What if I had paid all of it from my e-wallet? I would have gotten even more cash back in Bitcoin. So this is just amazing how this works, that we're actually getting money back on the Groupon that saves us money on the oil change that we need. Isn't that great? This is Wendy Kraft of Tap and Save app out of Raleigh, North Carolina, showing you the People's Platform from the Life Platform Company in Cary, North Carolina. My phone number will be tagged on the bottom here, but please do get back with the person who encouraged you to watch this video. I'm sure you have the Life Platform app already and you're using it and you just wanted a little more detail. I'm glad you could join us. Have an awesome day. God bless you.